Hey guys, I am Naz and I am back again with another sari look. This is chiffon sari with big floral patterns. Just see the rose flower pattern which looks amazing. Okay, I thought I have been wearing all those all over printed sari over the time from last I think from last 2-3 hours now. So I thought let's just change it and wear something which gives you some more energy vibe, which big floral pattern thing. And this is what it is, and this is how the whole saree looks. Let's see. Let's have a look. This big floral thing looks amazing, isn't it? And this is how it looks from the back. I am wearing a shapewear petticoat inside just to give a proper shape to the entire sari look, which I believe when we wear something sari or this kind of thing, it's always better to wear a shapewear inside. But there is no harm. You can even go with a regular traditional petticoat also. But this shapewear gives you more comfort to walk when you wear inside, and it's also enhance the proper sari look, which I believe. And this is how it looks from the side. And this is cotton silk sleeveless blouse that I'm wearing, and this is a padded one, of course, that I don't really have to mention. And yeah, this is again a low cut one. And the most amazing part of this entire thing is the color combination, which I've been doing it in entire this sari video series, like keeping and giving more importance to the color combination, which I think is the key factor we should always go with when we just try to be trendy and gorgeous. And yes, that color plays a most important look, I believe. Also, I'm a fashion designing graduate, so I believe I like to play with colors, and yes, that's what I choose and I believe. And this is like pink color earring I'm pairing with. And guys, I have no idea what kind of style it's called, but you can again comment down below the type of earring it is. I would really appreciate your effort to do that for me. Okay, and about the pleats, just see how neat it looks. I think for the first time I am able to make a very neat pleats and I'm so proud of myself. So it's amazingly neat. And again, I always keep big pleats, and even down the pleats are so amazing. And it's not because of my effort it has become so nice. It's the sari quality, guys. Just because of the draping quality, it has so amazing draping quality in it. It just gave that, I didn't have to put much of effort to make this pleat look smooth. It just came automatically. So I give all the credit to the sari for giving me this complete flowy and drapery look. And yes, I like to wear this on low because I feel I've been exercising a lot these days. Okay, so I think I am trying to have a good shape, and I think I have, right? That's why this is like ultra lowest form I'm wearing the sari. Yes, so this is how it is, and this is what it looks. And yes, I'm flaunting it.